Hi champions, welcome to another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you about 7 tips in which you can balance your 9 to 5 job as well as your side hustle successfully. All right. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Viveth, and on this channel, we talk about ways that you can make money online, passive income ideas, money saving tips, budgeting, and general ways in which you can achieve financial freedom. So, guys, you know that on this channel we talk about side hustles, and even if you have a 9 to 5 job or you don't have a 9 to 5 job, we talk about ways that you can make money. So, one of the things that normally persons experience, especially those who have a 9 to 5 job, is how to balance your side hustle and your 9 to 5 job successfully. Sorry, tongue twister, right? So I want to talk to you about ways that you can manage your time well, as well as to work on your side hustle and you still doing your 9 to 5 job. All right, so the first tip is that you need to focus on your why. Why is it that you started this side hustle? Was it that you want to pay off some debt? You want to get some additional income to pay off some debt? Do you want to, are you saving towards investing your emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or you just want to create generational wealth, and also you just basically just don't want to have to think about money all the time. All right, so focus on your why. Right, so the next tip is you can probably like leave out earlier to reach your work, probably like an hour or two at work, so that you can maybe do some, if you're working online, you probably can use the time to work on your side hustle that way. So by that time you give yourself like probably an hour and a half or 2 hours to work on your side hustle in the morning, so that by the time if your work starts at 8:30 or 9, whatever the time is, then you would at least accomplish some things for your side hustle. um Tip number 3 is that you can probably wake up a little earlier, or you can stay up late and work on your side hustle, depending on the type of person that you are. If you're a morning person or you're a late night person, you can either get up a little earlier or stay up a little late. But guys, do not stay up too late that you're so tired that you're not able to function at work. So you don't want to feel burnt out. So you, depending on your schedule and stuff like that and how you feel, you can either get up early or stay up a little late. All right. The other thing is you take time on your weekends to work on your side hustle, right? So the weekends are great. Some persons don't work on the weekends, but if you do work on the weekends, maybe just try find some time within a weekend to work on your side hustle, right? Maybe you don't work probably like from 9 to 5 on a weekend. Maybe you work like maybe 4 hours or so on the weekend, so you can try to use your weekend to work on your side hustle. All right, so you can try to manage it that way, right? The other thing too is you need to set up a calendar or have a calendar where you can say, all right, between this time and this time, you gonna focus on your side hustle. So you block out those time on your calendar to focus on your side hustle, right? So that is also a great way of managing your time and not feeling burnt out. So once you do that, you just focus. Say you're gonna take 2 hours on your calendar, focus on your side hustle, building it and stuff like that, until if it's a case where you want the side hustle to be your a main hustle, where you're maybe transitioning from your 9 to 5 job, then you can start having the calendar and blocking out specific times designated for your side hustle. All right, you can also use your lunchtime. So some persons may get like probably an hour or half an hour, depending on the type of job that you do, and the amount of time that you get for your lunch break. You can try to use your lunchtime to work on your side hustle. It may be a short time, but depending on what your side hustle is, then you can try to maximize your time, by using some of your time to in your lunch break to work on your side hustle. The other thing is you need to organize your task, right? Organize your the tasks that you have to do in a way that you accomplish whatever you set out to do. All right, so you will normally would have like a to-do list or your plan for the day to say, all right, I want to accomplish this, right, for the day, right? So you have your to-do list, and you go at what you itemize each of the tasks that you want to you want to accomplish throughout the day, and as you go along, you you mark it off and so forth. So that is a way that you can organize your tasks wisely. And another great tip as well is try to do meal prep. And you might say why meal prep, is important in balancing your 9 to 5 and your side hustle. But you have to eat, right? You have to eat. So if it's a case where you have family and you have to come home and cook and all of those things, try to find the time maybe on the weekend to maybe plan your meals for the week, so that when you come home in the evening or whenever, you know that, all right, today I'm gonna do this, or you have something pre-prepared in your refrigerator, or wherever, to say that, all right, so that you don't spend a lot of time trying to think about what am I gonna eat, and stuff like that. And incorporate your children into the meal planning as well. Find out what is it that they want to eat during the course of the week, right? So that you can maximize your time wisely, so that you know that, all right, Monday we're gonna look after this, Tuesday, and stuff like that. So that is also another great way that you don't waste your time, and you use the time that you have available to work on your side hustle, right? You work on it. So and another tip is just to take care of yourself. Don't get burnt out with juggling your 9 to 5 and your side hustle. It can be challenging to do both based on the type of job some persons do, but you always have to remember that you have to take care of yourself. So you can't afford to feel burnt out, and you want to ensure that you are able to you know stay active, be healthy, to see your side hustle through, and to accomplish your why. That's the first thing. You want to ensure that um you eat properly, eat on time. You try to incorporate a little exercise, maybe a little meditation, here and there, depending on how you do your thing. So you have to take care of yourself, and you have to take care of your mental health as well, because that's the only way that you're going to be able to be successful. You have to have the proper mindset in order for you to juggle your 9 to 5 and your side hustle successfully. because as I say, if you don't manage your time properly, you can feel burnt out, you can feel overwhelmed, especially sometimes when you maybe start doing something and it not working out the way that you want it to work out. So you have to ensure that you spend the time on yourself, and to ensure that you take proper care of yourself. Self-care is extremely important, right, in this journey towards financial health, financial freedom, and trying to achieve your goals, whatever goals that you set out to achieve. So guys, please like the videos, please subscribe to the channel, and guys, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see more on this channel. Tell me if you like the content, because guys, we are here. It's not about me, it's about us. The channel is the Empowered Champions. Sorry. So guys, we are here to empower each other so that we can learn and we can achieve our goals, so that we can achieve financial freedom. We can create generational wealth for our families, and we can live the best life, the life that we want, on our terms. So guys, share the videos, like it, subscribe to it, guys. Leave a comment down below, and tell a friend to tell a friend, right guys? So thank you guys, and you can check out the description. I have some resources and information in the description. You can check it out to see what is applicable to you. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Champions, I should say, in another video. Bye everyone.